Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's weekly analysis video, we will walk through few stocks which are trading with a high volume and also high volatility. Okay, recently these stocks posted a nice Q&A results. Also, in one or other video, we have already gone through the fundamentals of these stocks, and hence I'm not going to repeat it again in today's video. Okay, all right. Before we start with a disclaimer. The videos posted in our channel is purely for educational purpose, so I won't be recommending any stocks here for buy or sell. Please do your due diligence and consult your financial advisor before you take any trade. Okay, so with that said, how Nifty has performed today, it's so bad. Stock fell sharply and today also, with the Nifty index dropping. It's because of weak Q&A earnings by most of the companies, mostly large scale companies. Okay, and FA's continuous outflows, and the big factories like Trump's tariff hike, which is around now 50%, 25 plus 25, and Indian exports, which weighed on investor sentiment. And Nifty benchmarks are really heading for a sixth straight week loss. Okay, 6 weeks continuous in red candles. Okay, let's look at the Nifty 50 chart, how it looks like. Okay, you can see over here past 6 is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Oh, this is a day. If I switch back to weekly, you can see it clearly. See here, starting from end of June, 1 2 3 4 5 6. All the six candles are red candles, continuous. That also. Okay, there's a severe fall because of yeah, as we discussed, there is no proper Q&A earnings by large scale companies. Okay, except one or two. You can see 20 weekly moving average broken, and it is going towards 50 weekly moving average. Okay, let's switch back to a day wise chart, so it will be easy for us to analyze. So if you look at somewhere around mid of June, okay, mid of June, okay, in yeah, third week of June. From there, Nifty 50 was trading at the level of 24,750 levels. From here, it surged as high as 25,650 levels, almost like 900 points. From there, yeah, it was yeah, end of June. From there onwards, the Nifty 50s keep on falling wherever it took support. It took support and shown some consolidation, and again it broke. In a day-wise chart, you can see 20 EMA, the red one, and 50 EMA, the blue one. These two curves broken precisely, and there was a huge fall. Last 2 days, there was a severe fall. Yesterday's fall was some kind of a dramatic, I would say. Last yeah, 1 hour or more, you can see the huge 5 minutes candle. Okay, it felt like anything. Then from there, there was a recovery. It is because of a purely DIS selling. Okay, it's a sentimental buy, I would say, because FIs were keep on selling. Domestic investor has to support. You got it. What I'm trying to say, it's a pressure from somebody. Okay, you know it. So, but today that has been corrected again, and today second half day, you can see there was a severe fall, and even it broke yesterday's low and closed somewhere close to yesterday's low. Okay, what we can see here is, yes, as we discussed last weekly also, when it broke 20 EMA, it was taking support on 50 EMA, then it was kind of consolidating. Then we have clearly said the next once it broke this 50 EMA, the next support would be either the swing low or swing highs. Okay, or otherwise definitely the EMA. So I think the Nifty 50 is trying to take support on a 200 EMA. Okay, so 200 EMA, it's a very strong EMA, I would say. Yeah, if it's going to touch or come to this level, definitely we should expect some reversal. Okay, if there is no much negative in the Indian stock market. Okay, otherwise this fall is because of still uncertainty, and there is no much clarity how India is going for a negotiation, or how it is going to go. We don't know. Okay, so that is kind of an uncertainty in the market. So we have to wait and watch for next at least 2 weeks. It will be like this. Otherwise, we hear some news from government side, some positive news with respect to tariff. Then we can expect some reversal. Otherwise, there will be a fall or consolidation or correction. Okay. So with that said, let's move on to our stock analysis. The first one is IPL India Pesticide Limited. So this stock is under my watch list. I was trading this stock past 1 or 2 weeks. Okay, and even we have discussed one of our weekly analysis video. Yeah, that is a perfect two resistance level. This dotted line, you're seeing it, right? So this is one resistance level. It has tested recently one and twice, and past around like September last year, it was tested at least twice. the swing highs. You can see the swing highs, right? Let me maximize it. Okay, you can see this swing highs I have marked in circle. So these swing highs, it tried and it could not break it. From there there was a huge fall. This fall, as we have discussed multiple times, last September, October, this was happening for all the mid-level and small cap sectors. Then there was a consolidation. Again, it has formed a cup pattern, right? This cup pattern. Then there was a consolidation. Again, you can see the same level has been tested in recent past a couple of times. Here and here you can see the circle, the same level only. Okay, so it broke. Whenever it broke last week, I think it has broken. Then it could not able to sustain the level. It fell. Then there was again a consolidation, small correction also. And moreover, you can see this pattern. The price action is trading in this channel pattern, this horizontal, this I mean vertical trend line. You can see the rising trend line, this one, and here there is this one, right? So today, yeah, the stock has posted a very nice result. Last night it has posted nice result, Q on Q and year on year. It was really a good result with a good revenue and good profit. So it was definitely expected the stock should surge. So it has happened. Even I had a position. Yeah, I could not capture all the 5 or 6 percentage. I just captured a 2 plus percentage today. Otherwise, yeah, there was a fear in the market, so I don't want to hold it. So profit booking has happened, but the stock has surged up to 5 or more than 5 percentage, close to 6 percentage. Then the stock has got corrected because of Nifty 50's correction. If I switch back to 5 minute chart, you can see it clearly. Yeah, from morning onwards, 9:15, you can see the timestamp here. Okay, 9:15 onwards, it was surging. Even yesterday's, it has corrected along with this Nifty 50's reversal. It has shown proper reversal because yesterday was a result date. Definitely, there was a huge volume accumulation. Then today, it hit high as much as 244 levels. From there around like 9:45 and 9:50 there was a correction. Even now when it got corrected, I entered the trade somewhere here. Again, I made like 1% or more. Again, I bought the stock. Okay, it's in my holding, because I'm pretty much positive about this stock. Okay, and today it took 200 EMA support. From there it got closed. So I had to wait and watch. Yeah, Davis candle, within 5 minutes or 15 minutes the chart really looks good, kind of a pole and flag formation we can see here. But if you look at David chart, okay, yeah, there's a huge wick. Yeah, I never like this huge wick because it shows there are more number of sellers. Okay, and yeah, it ended with a negative. Okay, so it looks like a, yeah, a negative for me. Okay, but we had to wait and watch, because there is no nothing fundamentally wrong with the stock. It was consolidated for a while and the results are really published well. It is because of market correction. Yeah, I think so. And having said that, we had to wait and watch what is the next following up or continuation candle is going to be. Based on that, I will take a call. Otherwise, yeah, for swing reason, yes, we have to wait and watch. Otherwise, if it's a day trade, it gives really a nice volatility. So scalping or intraday is it's a fantastic opportunity. Okay, so this is in my watch list. Yeah, coming to the resistance level, so this one resistance level we have discussed, and the above one was, yeah, you can see somewhere. Yeah, the next resistance would be somewhere here, the swing highs, right here, here. There are four places swing highs. So when it breaks this level, okay, this horizontal level, the recent swing highs, okay, today it broke but it could not sustain. Okay, so tomorrow or forthcoming days, the next week, if it breaks and sustains, definitely it will definitely surge up to this level, 247 or 250 levels. Okay, yeah, there is a clear potential around like, yeah, 5 to 10 percentage. Okay, even it can surge more than this. It all depends upon the price action. Okay, so we have to wait and watch how the stock is going to perform in next week. That said, the next one is a PDJM paper. Even this stocks also, I mean, this stock also we have discussed in one or another weekly analysis video. When we discussed, we clearly mentioned this stock also forming kind of a pattern. Okay, we can see it's swing high, swing low, again swing high, swing low. It's kind of consolidating in zigzag in upward direction. Okay, and also we have discussed clearly about this stock. There's a couple of resistance line. This is the one, the resistance, the swing high. The next one is this swing high. Okay, even we can match this swing highs with the prior early years swing highs. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, and yeah, so when it broke this pattern, the prior high, swing high, then today it broke it and it really surged well, and even it touched that prior swing high, this swing high, the last year swing high around July. Okay, 1 year back, this was the swing high. So today it has touched it. Okay, from there was a correction. So it has closed below the prior resistance level. As the price action shows here 129, but the closing price you can see 129.7 here, right? So somewhere it comes to this swing, the prior swing high. This is swing high level. Okay, so we have to wait and watch how the stock is going to perform in coming days or week. Okay, if it closes above, then definitely it also has a potential around like 130 to 136 level, 5 percentage. If it breaks this level around like 135 range, then definitely the next level would be around like a 145 to 150 levels. So close to 5 to 20 percentage is there. Okay, definitely in the forthcoming weeks. But having said that, we have to wait and watch how Nifty 50 is performing, and based on that, the stock will perform. So this also has a published result last week or last to last week, right? We have discussed. So the results were really good. Okay, nice revenue and profit margins, and the net profit too. So I'm quite bullish on this stock, even whether it's a IPL or a PDJ. Okay, with respect to the technicals, okay, the fundamental stuffs are kind of supporting for us, so we can consider that too while we do our technical analysis. Okay, so I'm pretty much kind of bullish, I would say. Even we can see weekly chart how it looks like. If I go to weekly, you can see it has formed a W pattern. Okay, double bottom we can say, and if you consider only this, it's a cup and it's a handle. Okay, so it really looks nice for me. Even we have discussed last week also the same pattern we have drew. We have clearly mentioned if it breaks this level, then we had to expect this resistance level. Today it came up to this resistance level. So if it breaks, then definitely I would be expecting at least this zone. Okay, this zone around like 145 to 150 levels. That's my interpretation with this stock. Okay, the third one is NRB bearing. So this stock, I'm a bit skeptical about this stock because of Trump's tariff, because auto ancillaries are attracting more tariffs. So maybe because of that, the stock is not able to perform well. You can see the pattern. It has formed the cup, right? This one, it had formed the cup, and from there was a breakout. Okay, then it went up to this level, the prior the swing high. I think it has not touched it, but somewhere there. Okay, then it corrected from this line. You can see this horizontal line, right? So it was a prior swing low levels. Okay, and yeah, even prior swing high levels. So that's the reason I said it is a cup. It had formed cup, and it's a handle. I will consider this as a handle. Let me draw it for you. Yeah, for me, yeah, this is a cup and this is the handle. Okay, so when it broke, definitely it has moved this a whole percentage. What I'm trying to say here is, so from this swing low to swing high, it is around to yeah, 12 percentage. You can see it here, right? So 12 percentage. Then again, when it broke, it went up to like, yeah, you can see exactly 12 percentage. So when this pattern forms, technically you can easily evaluate, right? So this 12 percentage from here to here, when it broke, the same thing has been achieved, 12 percentage. Then from there is a correction. So when this correction has happened, you can see here, yeah, double top has formed. Okay, so double top is a reversal, trend reversal. Let me draw it once again. So this one I'm trying to say, here is a top and here is a top, correct? So double top is a reversal, trend reversal. So when it's in upward direction, then definitely if it breaks this pattern, then we have to expect the fall, correct? The fall would be the same level, from here to here, 12 percentage, same 12 percentage. Means like at this level we have to expect. Okay, technically I'm talking about what I'm trying to see here. It's all about technical stuffs. Okay, so but it found some support over here, 200 EMA. Okay, you can see this green line is a 200 EMA. So from there, yesterday it has shown some reversal. It's a huge green candle. You can see the volume also was good comparatively, and today it surged. It also has published results yesterday. Yes, Q and Q and year on year the profits are good. Okay, somewhere revenue of year on year is good, but not Q on Q. Okay, Q on Q revenue fell, but year on year revenue was good. But profit wise, both Q on Q and Y on Y, they are good. So with this information, the stock has surged. It even touched this prior swing high. Okay, this level. It's not only one place. You can see this swing high here and here. Okay, and yeah, very last time also, October last year also. So this has been tested one, two, three times. Okay, so we have to watch whether this stock is going to show some potential in the reversal direction. Okay, means positive direction in forthcoming weeks, or it is going to fall. Okay, so in this choppy market, in correcting market, we cannot 100% positive, even though the stock has published there is a good result. We have to wait and watch. Based on the price action only, we have to take the call. So if it is going to fall, definitely it has to taste this touch this 200 EMA again. Then if it breaks further, and again it has to fall. But fundamentally I don't see any fall to be there because of the Q results, but anything happen in the market. Okay. Otherwise, yes, it's good for our analysis. We have to look at how the stock is going to perform. Okay. Fantastic. So with that said, please be informed. I'm not recommending any stocks here to buy or sell. Please do your due diligence before you take any trade. I hope you like this video. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.